Hello everybody, welcome to Adnet Physics by your own video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from Unit 11 of your syllabus, NEET syllabus. It is electrostatics, of course. Okay. This question has been asked in the NEET examination the year 2020. The question is, a short electric dipole has a dipole moment of 16 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb meter. Dipole moment. The electric potential due to the dipole at a point at a distance 0.6 meter from the center of the dipole situated on a line making an angle 60 degree with the dipole axis is how much? Okay. It has been given that, of course, you know this value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 power plus 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. As usual, we are given four options: 400 volt, 0 volt, 50 volt, and 200 volt. Which one is the right answer? Of course, this is a direct formula. Capital V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta divided by R square. V is the electric potential due to the dipole. This is the answer for this question. Okay? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Its value has been given 9 into 10 power plus 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. That you know already. Okay. P is the dipole moment, 16 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb meter. 16 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb meter. R is the distance from the center of the dipole, that is 0.6 meter. 0.6 meter. Theta, angle between the line and the dipole, that is axis of the dipole, is 60 degree. So all these values have been given. So you can easily find the value of capital V. So substituting the values in the equation, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, P cos theta by R square. What do we get? V is equal to. What is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? It has been given that 9 into 10 power plus 9. Okay. What is P? Dipole moment? 16 into 10 power minus 9. Cos theta, what's the value of theta? 60 degree divided by R square, 0.6 meter. The whole square. Okay, so it is 9 into. Here you have 10 power plus 9. Here you have 10 power minus 9. Both get cancelled. So 9 into 16. What is cos theta? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. That you know very well. So 1 by 2 divided by 0.6 the whole square. It means what? 0.36. R 36. So 0.36. So it is V is equal to 9 into 1 by 2 into 6. So 9 into 8 divided by 0.36. So it means what? 8 into, you can solve this problem very easily. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. You will get 900 divided by, if you multiply 0.36 into 100, you will get 36. Okay. So 8 into 900 by 36. 4 9, 36. Table 4, table 9. 4 into 9, 36. So this 900 becomes 100 and this 36 becomes 4. So 4 into 2, 8. So 8 by 4 will give you 2. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200 volt. The electric potential due to the dipole is 200 volt. It's a very simple question compared to the previous question that I have seen yesterday. Okay, that's all. So anyway, we will see one more question from this chapter, electrostatics. That is Unit 11 of your NEET syllabus in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.